Hi friends, I am back with another delicious recipe. It's vegetable biryani. Let's start making the biryani right away. In a mixing bowl add 3/4 cup yogurt, ginger paste 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1.5 teaspoon. I used packet biryani masala, but for my homemade biryani masala, see my chicken biryani recipe. 2 tablespoons biryani masala, 0 cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, pink salt 1 teaspoon. Add cut vegetables, potatoes, carrots, and cauliflower. Green beans, if desired. Mix the vegetables into the marinade and sit aside for a few minutes. In a pot add 1/2 cup cooking oil. Add sliced onions and fry until golden brown. Take out half of the brown onions and put aside. Add the vegetable marinade to the remaining onion and oil. Medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Wash to cut basmati rice thoroughly. Change water a few times. Enough, but add 8 cup of water and bring it to a boil with a teaspoon of salt. Add some cloves and curry leaf as well. A lemon slice optional. Vegetables are half done. Add cilantro and mint leaves. Add peas and some green bell pepper at this point. Mix and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Vegetables are ready. Turn off the stove. Add drained rice to boiling water. Cook until about 75% done. Take a metal colander. Drain the rice into the colander. Add the rice to the vegetable mixture. You can remove half vegetables and make 2 layers of rice and vegetables. I am making 1 layer of rice over the vegetables. Add rice over the vegetables. Spread evenly. Spread lemon slices. Brown onion that we saved earlier. Green chilies. Sprinkle some biryani masala. Yellow food color mixed with some water or milk. Cover and cook on high flame for first 5 minutes and 20 minutes on low flame. Turn off stove and mix after few minutes. Serve with raita. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Flavor Island.